بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. I pray everybody is doing well. Today is the third day of the blessed month of Ramadan. So many people fall victim to a common mistake in the month of Ramadan, and this is they do not pace themselves properly during this beautiful month of Ramadan. Think of this month as a marathon. What we don't want to do is do too much at the beginning, do not so much in the middle, and by the end of the month we have gone flat, and unfortunately at the end of the month we are not really utilizing our time properly. And this is a common mistake many of us make due to the excitement that the month of Ramadan has kicked in, listening to all the lectures or reading so many social media posts or coming across something on WhatsApp or on YouTube that use the month of Ramadan correctly, use it wisely, use it to change your time, use it to change your life, change your lifestyle, use it to get closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. These are good things. But what we don't want to do is overdo ourselves, overexert ourselves, that at the beginning stages of Ramadan we are doing really, really well. When it comes to the middle portion of Ramadan, we have gone down a gear, and by the ending of Ramadan, we have totally finished ourselves and we have burned ourselves out. The month of Ramadan is like a marathon. We need to pace ourselves out accordingly, that at the beginning of Ramadan we are doing well. In the mid of Ramadan, in the mid stages of Ramadan, we have gone up a gear, and by the last and final 10 days of the blessed month of Ramadan, we are in the last and final gear, really utilizing our time, really utilizing ourselves correctly. So in today's reminder it's only the third day. We still have over 25 days left. Pace yourself out properly. Don't overburden yourself. Don't overdo yourself. Pace yourself out. Remember, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves those actions that are less. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala loves those actions which are continuous, even if they are less. And this is the key to success with regards to the month of Ramadan. Do little, but make sure it's constant, it's continuous, and inshallah you will see the fruits and the benefits of those actions. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala use these words for me but not against me on the day of Qiyamah. Please share this with your friends and family. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on social media. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward each and every single one of you. My name is Muhammad Ali. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.